So we actually have agreement from Republicans and Democrats about testing for marijuana, specifically for military recruits. So I've got an update here. This is an update to a video I previously did just about a week or so ago about how the military is trying to get a bill passed, a defense bill passed that has in it language that would eliminate marijuana testing for any military recruit, no matter what branch they are entering into. So just recently, several Republicans, Adderholt, Miller, Brechin, Clyde, Palmer, Sessions, and Tenney suggested an amendment to eliminate this particular piece of this bill. So it would eliminate the part of the bill that would take away marijuana testing. So basically they wanted to keep marijuana testing in and for every recruit to be tested for marijuana. That is kind of expected. With Republicans, that's kind of the way that they go. And I'm getting this particular information from marijuanamoment.net. They're pretty good. I get a lot of my stuff from them. Check them out. But what is interesting is that just recently the Democrats, and specifically Joe Biden, agreed and said that recruits in the military should be tested, and that, quote, cannabis use is a military readiness and safety concern. So Biden wants to keep the testing for marijuana in the military. So every recruit should be tested for marijuana. Now, the silver lining here is that a key House committee has blocked all of the pro and the anti-marijuana reform amendments to the defense bill. So basically, they said that there won't be any changes to the actual bill. So it is still alive. It is still in place, despite the fact that both Republicans and Democrats want to strike it down. Now, it's not law yet, but this is a step forward in the process. So that is the update for today. I will be back, as always, when new information comes out. Until next time, everybody, stay safe.